Good evening, Marianne. Ulifika nyumbani poa? Yes, babe. I am home though kinda tired. Hata lunch hatukukula. Ni kama ni mimi ulikuwa unangoja kula lunch. Unaona? Naambia you are a good lunch. Nimeshiba hadi umesahau ile panty yako. Fanya hivi, Marianne, send me 8,000. I handle some emergency. Akamwambia sina 8,000 in my M-Pesa, maybe 6,000. Okay, nita kushukuru sweetie. Unaona hii sweetie? Akamwambia sweetie. Halafu instead of struggling to get money, why don't you organize we take this man out before 16th April ama ulishindwa? Akamuuliza huyu, akamuuliza ambia we talk about this already. Next week I'll go to Naivasha. I meet that dude. We said he can help us take away your husband without traces. Huyo akamwambia shida yako ni kuwa you are not serious. Last time anajita Max. Akamwambia shida yako ni kuwa you are not serious. Last time you burnt my car instead of taking away Maina. Maina ni nani?
Maina ni mimi.
Wewe. Okay, you almost burnt my kid in that car. Tukiwa tunadhani ni Maina ako ndani na gari, ndio maana tulichoma. This time round nitatafuta a serious man for the job. Huyo akamuuliza ukifika April utakuwa umeuza hizo ukifika April atakuwa ameuza hizo nyumba. We need to do it now before he transfers the title deed from his name. Akitransfer sitakuwa next of kin. Ule akamwambia I swear we must get that money. Siwezi kaa njaa na kuna 85 million inalala pahali. Huyo akamwambia good morning, nitumie picha yako ni kuone nyonyo. Ule akamwambia angalia zile ulipiga. Huyo akamwambia angalia zile ulipiga nikiwa bathroom.
Sasa hii mali yote na ni yetu na wewe. Na ni wewe nimeandika uwe next of kin. Unaweza nifanyia hii maneno kweli?
Si tukaongea kwa nyumba. Wacha kuongea hizi.
Hapana. Kuna
Max ni nani? So mu explain Max ni nani?
Max ni nani? Max ni nani? Yaani mna plan vile Max huyu ni nani? Yaani mna plan vile mtaniua. Mkule hizi vitu yangu. Kuna kiasi.
He had a vendetta. And nakumbuka vizuri.
What do you mean by vendetta?
Vendetta ni nini?
Vendetta ni misunderstanding. Wewe ulikuwa na kisasi. That's called a vendetta. Kisasi na ule mtoto wako. Na akaniambia this Marianne wanted Mr. Maina out of the picture. And alikuwa ana courage ya kufanya hiyo kitu. So because of the special relationship we had, he influenced me. Watu wanasema love is blind.
I can kill my child.
With all due respect,
yes,
Sam is injured right now.
I cannot.
Love that you show me. Yes, that I cannot take it for granted. Love that you show me, I cannot deny.
Mr. Samaritan, since when I was last here, nimeona meita mama tena wakiongea kwa sababu this thing I have a vested personal interest. It affects me as much as it affects everyone else. Na sahi there's a lot of repercussions ambazo zimenifolia mimi as a person. Na vile naona hii inaendelea, there are a few things ambazo haziko straight. Na from where I stand, siwezi acha tu wewe uko ukiita mama, unaita mtoto, unaita Sam hapa, unaita Mr. Maina, and they twist this story in a way that naona si sawa. So nimekuja hapa to make sure that this story is as straight as I understand it. I lay out my case na hizi misunderstandings pia. I want to make sure that we solve everything and we set the record straight. Mimi sitaki ma viewers hapa wanani waanze kutoa comments zao na emotions on a false basis. That won't be justice.
So you've told me to call for you. Mzee?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Unamjuaje?
Huyo ni wakili yangu.
He's your lawyer.
He's my lawyer.
So mlienda mkakaa chini kule mkoona mkuje mtudanganye zaidi ama sababu I'm very sure. What was the last time uliongea naye?
Hata wiki hii tumeongea last week.
So mkasikizana mkuje mtudanganye ama ni ni yapi ambayo?
No. Hakuna mambo na kudanganya. Kwanza tulianza tukawa tunajaribu kuficha ukweli. Imetupeleka wapi? Sahi my job is under review. The partnership between our law firm and Mr. Maina has been terminated. Hiyo ndio results ya uongo ambao hiding of truth ambao tumekuwa tukifanya. Sahi I'm not ready to play that game again. And I'm telling everyone, even hata Mr. Gikonyo, I'm telling you, mimi I'm not here to play games. I'm here to set the record straight. Let the chips fall where they may. Let the chips fall where they may.
Ulisema unataka niite Mr. Gikonyo tuongee.
Yes.
Are you guys in good term? Because kuna maneno uliniongelesha kwenye simu nikajiuliza maswali. Yako na deni yako?
Mr. Gikonyo hana deni yangu. I have a misunderstanding na yeye. I have some misunderstanding. Mr. Gikonyo, I knew him through Mariana. Unielewa?
Mkweli?
Ni kweli.
Yeah. I knew Mr. Gikonyo through Mariana.
Mariana is the wife to my son.
Yeah. This is my father-in-law. You meet him. He's also a businessman. Na mimi, you know, when you meet business people, you want to create networks because it's also potential business. Unaelewa? So now, after tukaanza kujuana na Mr. Gikonyo used to call me around, sometimes used to hang out ile bar iko pale, unajua ile bar iko pale nani? Huyu anapenda sana hiyo bar. So ananiita pale, mi free drinks bana, tukiketi na mzee akinipatia wisdom hapa na pale, kwa nini nikatae? Kumbe Mr. Gikonyo had a vendetta with his son. He had a vendetta. And nakumbuka vizuri.
What do you mean by vendetta?
Vendetta nini?
Vendetta ni misunderstanding. Wewe ulikuwa na kisasi. That's called a vendetta. Kisasi na ule mtoto wako. Na akaniambia there's a day alikuwa amelewa. I don't know if he remembers because hapo alikuwa komaji.
I do not remember that.
Alikuwa komaji sana. He told me he has not even forgiven his dad. Anasema in fact yeye babake alipokufa alisherehekea sana. Why? Because babake alipatia urithi Maina instead of him. Said I was his son. Mbona alinipita mimi akapatia Maina shamba? Unajua hiyo shamba, si ndio?
Iko.
So the plan was this guy has never healed from that. And hiyo shamba ni too personal for him. Maka anataka sahi to do everything in his power so that he gets back the shamba. Everything. And I mean, when I say everything, I mean everything. So that has been the plan. And amejaribu sana kunisukuma hapa na pale. As a lawyer, as a paralegal, niliketi na yeye chini nikamwambia, this is a family matter. Wewe, huyu ni mtoto wako. This is your son. In all truth and wisdom, kalishe chini. As a family, talk to him. Express your grievance. Yeye hakuinfluence babako, hakuinfluence grandfather yake ampatie hiyo shamba. Kwa nini unamwona huyu mtu ana makosa? You can solve it. Alikuwa anataka paka tuende kotini. Alikuwa anataka he wanted me to build a case against the son in regards to the shamba. But for me, from where I stand, nikamwambia this one to be difficult to justify on a court of law. The legal basis is weak. It will fall apart. It will be a waste of time. The only reasonable thing to do, Mr. Gikonyo, sit with your son. Solve this issue.
According to our culture, Kikuyu culture,
yes,
normally the father give to his sons the land, not the grandson. It is very rare.
How is all this communication, how is this issue connected to who banned Mr. Maina's car?
I think Manuel can explain that.
I know what I'm about to say may put me into problems, but like I said, I want to set the record straight. I remember that day. It was on a Friday.
Okay.
On a Friday. Kwa tumepanga. Ndio.
Mmepanga na msikuwa mnakuja kunidanganya hapa.
No. I am speaking the truth.
Mlipanga na nani?
Marianne. And just to confirm, those texts that you read the first time, those were genuine texts. Marianne wanted Mr. Maina out of the picture. And alikuwa ana courage ya kufanya hiyo kitu. So because of the special relationship we had, he influenced me. Watu wanasema love is blind. So I would say for a fact that was on my part a momentary lapse of judgment. Sikuwa nimefikiria vizuri. But because alikuwa yeye ameniambia, there was a lot of things that she had told me about the advantages of Mr. Maina being out of the picture, and I bought the idea. So the plan was in motion. It was on Friday. She is the one who opened the gate for me.
Who?
Marianne. She opened the gate.
To the residence?
Yes, the residence. I got in. Alikuwa ameshaniambia where everything, the kerosene, petrol and the rags were. Na unajua routine ya mzee ilikuwa inajulikana. Routine ya mzee nyumbani inajulikana. So you know me, I don't know. That residence, of course, I come, but not often, so I'm not familiar with that residence. So alinipeleka store. Kanieka pale store. So mi niko store, I don't know what is going on. But the agreement was, nikisikia tu mlango wa gari inafunguliwa, inafungwa, then nijue mzee ameingia kwa gari.
Mr. Maina.
Presumably yes. That's what alikuwa ameniambia, ukisikia mlango wa gari imefunguka, that is Mr. Maina anaingia kwa gari yake. Swing into motion. Na mimi ni nani? Gari imefunguliwa, nikakuja nikawasha kila kitu on the commotion. Hey, moto. Mimi nikaponyoka.
Ulipitia kwa mlango bado?
Of course.
Nani alikufungulia?
The commotion. See the commotion. Hey, call the ambulance. Hey, wale wafanyikazi wakienda kuchukua nani, the wife akipiga nduru ananifungulia mlango. Mimi nikajitoa. Oh, what has happened? And the mother was the one who was pushing the narrative that it was an accident. Mzee labda alifanya ignition vibaya, the car had fault, paka wakasema walikuwa wamepeleka garage. Yule fundi wa garage. That was how she framed the story. So for me, I'm at home waiting to receive the text kwamba mission accomplished, mission successful. To my shock and surprise, and Sam is my friend. In fact, I want to apologize to him. He's a very good friend of mine. I want to apologize to him. Nikasikia yeye ndiye amepatikana instead of Mzee. So that was what happened.
How is he connected to all that? Because you told me that you want him to come here.
This story, now they did not tell me, but according to the information that I have about this story, ni kwamba if Mzee, Mr. Maina, you know Mr. Maina is the victim. He's a victim here. If Mr. Maina is out of the picture, the wife becomes the sole heir and inherit mali zote. And this Mzee, Mr. Gikonyo, is in collusion with the wife.
About what?
About the Shamba, which is personal to you, but also the rest of the wealth of Mzee, of Mr. Maina.
Was I selling any Shamba myself?
No. What I'm saying is, you do have your plots, you do have your rentals and everything. I
Yes,
know.
I do.
You're not in the Shamba
Even
business.
this one is mine.
I know.
And that is why I wanted to give you that business to transact you.
Mr. Gikonyo, you want me to...
We go under the law.
No, Mr. Gikonyo, relax, because I don't want... So now,
that is my father's land. It is my father's land.
So sahi unasema...
Not Maina's land.
But you wanted Maina dead. You wanted your son dead. Ukweli ya murongo.
Hiyo ni uongo kabisa. Siwezi uwa kijana yangu. Siwezi uza kijana yangu. Uwa siwezi.
What evidence do you have that he wanted his son dead?
I wish I would have recorded.
No, give us evidence.
Wewe tukiwa bar, when you were drinking, when you were drunk, unakumbuka ile maneno ulikuwa unasema?
Together with who else? I wish to have another witness.
Unakumbuka ile maneno ulikuwa unasema mzee?
Hapana.
Haya, wachana na hiyo. Wewe ukiniconvince niende nikachukue documents, because I could have access to the documents. I'm the paralegal, I can access. Ulikuwa unaniambia ni replace na fake, change ownership ya land. You told me in all kata.
Does that involve killing?
Now, because you saw that this thing imekuwa complicated, all of a sudden you wanted to do away with. This was your plan all along.
That must be you and Maina's wife. About killing.
Mr. Gikonyo,
Me,
stop.
I'm not there. I don't know which other lawyer to go for now, because you have been my trust.
No, we have to set everything. You wanted your son to die, because with your son out of the picture, you will have access to the land, and you will solve the beef that you had with your father of him giving your son Shamba instead of you. Wewe mwenyewe umetoka kusema hapa. The father needs to inherit the
son.
The son.
Yes.
Instead of inherit the son, I don't know why. You guys know.
It was a long statement.
You are not his favorite.
It was a long statement.
He loved his grandson.
Because the boy was supposed to use the land temporarily, but not given forever.
So you've been having issues with your son being given the land?
I've always been telling him that is my land, together with my brother.
Did you tell Max, who is the paralegal, to replace the real documents with fake?
No. That one we never said.
Uko na evidence?
I'll send you the email, the request I made on this specific case to my contact in the lands ministry. I'll send you the link.
Then I wish we come back here again and
I'll send
exonerate
you
all this.
Listen, Mr.
Because
Gikonyo,
I've never communicated with you about death.
Mr. Gikonyo, with all
there
due
is
respect,
no way I can kill my child.
With all due respect,
yes,
Sam
is
injured right now.
I cannot.
He's still going through medical.
I cannot
that
kill my son. I'm telling you.
So I just went to Sam's place. I just went to your son's residence to cause havoc for nothing.
After all, you have disclosed that you are the one who burnt the vehicle. That is well known to me now.
Are you the one?
Together with his wife, you are supposed to face the law.
You see this?
You are supposed to face the law, both of you.
No.
Where are you going now?
Listen,
No.
Mr. Gikonyo.
Let us.
Mr. Gikonyo, if you decide to wake up there,
No.
you are too old to go to jail. Because
have
I can
done,
ensure you go to jail.
Anyway.
Mr. Gikonyo.
Give me my microphone.
Anyway.
Mr.
Do you
Gikonyo.
have any kwa nini usijitetee useme ya kwamba hukuhusika kama hukuhusika? Kwa nini unaamka tu mara moja?
Sijahusika hata kidogo.
Mr. Gikonyo.
Yes.
You are guilty.
Come with the lawyer. Another lawyer again.
You are guilty. Mr. Sama, unaona? See?
Why is he reacting like this?
I don't know. Yule mzee, you know, nimeletwa kwa hii ngori. Mzee ilikuwa sijui. I've been blinded. Oh God.
Love that you show me. Yes, that I cannot take it for granted. Love that you show me.